Since ancient times, humanity has searched for the ultimate truth. Some have walked the path of devotion, some have chosen wisdom, and others have followed discipline. But when we go beyond the surface and look deeper, we see that all paths, whether Abrahamic or non-Abrahamic, lead to the same realization. There is no second. Buddhism starts with suffering but ends in Shunyata, the great emptiness that is actually a fullness beyond understanding. Taoism moves like a flowing river, surrendering to the natural way, only to merge into the eternal Tao. Jainism removes attachments one by one, until only pure, unconditioned awareness remains. Sanatan Dharma connects everything, whether through bhakti, karma, or gyana, and ultimately reaches the same truth. Shintoism respects the spirits of nature but quietly reminds us that all separation is an illusion. Sikhism, often mistaken as Abrahamic, sings of Ik Onkar, the one without a second. Zoroastrianism speaks of the eternal flame, a light that is beyond all duality. The ancient wisdom of Africa, the tribal traditions of Native America, the deep insights of Sufism in Islam, the mystical teachings of Kabbalah in Judaism, and the hidden non-dual wisdom in Christian Gnosticism all reveal the same truth. At their deepest level, they erase the illusion of separateness. Religions may seem different in practice. They have different rituals, beliefs, and traditions. But when we listen to the mystics, the enlightened beings, and the sages across history, we find that they all speak of the same ultimate reality, a reality where all differences fade away, including the separation between self and others. The names may change. Some call it nirvana, some call it Tao, some say kaivalya, moksha, or mukti. Others call it ek onkar, Ein Sof, Fana, or the kingdom of heaven. But the truth is the same. The individual self is an illusion. What remains is the infinite, beyond birth and death, beyond form and name. The paths may be different, but the final truth is one. There is no other. There never was.